Hello together. In this video, I would like to show you the Samdock grabber for LinkedIn, which you can install in the Google Chrome Web Store. You simply search for it in the Google search. Just enter Samdock, you will find it immediately and can add it through this button, and it's basically installed with one click. Now, if you go to your Chrome plugins, you can pin it, which makes it way easier to use, and log in with your account credentials. I will do that now, and as you can see, I'm logged in now. And if you go to LinkedIn, so this is how it looks without the Samdock grabber. I will update the page, and now you will see the Samdock logo appearing on the LinkedIn profile page of every member. And if it's red, as you can see here, it is basically already in the system, the contact. And if it's blue, I will just open some other page. You can see it is like this, and you could add the person to Samdock if you just press the button. And on the left side, you see all the contact details. You can create a new contact. You can also add other organizations and link it here. And if you add a new contact to Samdock, you will find it when you log in. I'm not logged in right now, but I will change that. You will find it in Samdock directly. And example, I have Alexander Wölke already in my system, but I will change his name now to Alexander 2. I will update the contact, and now if I open it, you will see the updated version. That's all. That's how easy it is to use and to install.